Hello everyone, this is Elias. Now I am going to talk about a place I like most. Here I start. There are many cities in Bangladesh. I like such as Coxbazar Sea Beach, my hometown, historical place, museum, Silet Sunamganj, Shazek Valley, and so on. Among them, I like my village. My village is situated in Borguna and is very close to Kuakata. I like my village for many reasons. For example, it's beautiful and natural. It's neat and clean. Most of the people of my village are always hospitality. In the afternoon, everyone, young and old people, get out to play in the field, such as cricket, football, and kabaddi, and so on. In my village, we get fresh fruits, fishes, meat, and vegetables that is very healthy. The sound of birds chirping in the evening is a very wonderful feeling. My village is a green paradise and unparalleled beauty. I came to know and show about this beauty since my childhood. My future plan regarding this place are it will be modern, people will be more educated, more factories will be built, more poor family will be rich. Many entrepreneurs are emerge and establish themselves. Economic development will advance further in the next 5 years. That's all about it. Thank you. Thank you everyone.